Hello guys, if you wanna change your default application on Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus, let's open settings. Now you have to click on the apps, right upper corner in these three dots, and click on the default apps. And for example, there is Assistant app, browser, home, phone, messages, so go for the browser, but as you can see currently we have only one application for browser, so it's Google Home and this one hand mode. We are going to download the Opera. Oh, and let me sign in to the Google Play Store. Okay, I just signed in, and now we have to scroll down, agree, and wait for the downloading our application. So type here the name of your future application or browser, so I will go for the Opera Mini. Okay, it's almost done, 100%. And we can open. As you can see, Opera works. So now we are going back to the settings right here, and as you can see, now we can just adjust our default browser, so go with Opera or the Chrome, what you want. And thank you for watching. Leave likes, subscriptions, and of course comments below.